Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to tell you how I added weight to the back of my truck for wintertime driving. I got these bags for adding sand to, which you can add sand directly into the bag, or you can add bags of sand into it. It has a tie off to tie the top. It's made out of a very strong basket weave type nylon material and works great for putting sand or other rocks or anything in to use for weighting things down. A lot of times these are used for people having flooding issues and stuff like that where they need to make quick sandbags to try to stop that water from coming in. What I'm using them for is adding some weight to the back of my truck since it's a two-wheel drive to help me in the snow and ice during the winter. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot, but doesn't cost you anything. Let's go outside and let me show you how I did it. All right, we're outside here and I've got some sandbags here of some paver sand that I use that I'm gonna put in these bags. Just like that, you've got the bag of sand in there, and then you can take your drawstring, pull this up. I twist it a little bit just to try to seal it. And then you can wrap your drawstring around and tie it. Once you're tied, you're done. Now I've got a 50-pound bag of sand, and I'll put 8 of these in the back of my truck straight over the axle to put more weight in there. As you can see, they're easy to use, they're very durable, and work great for this application. If you're interested in getting some for yourself, click on the link down in the description and get yourself some.